Selena, Class 10, Chapter 14, Equation of a line. X-intercept. X-intercept is intercept made by the line on x-axis. Like OA is the x-intercept of line AB. Y-intercept. Y-intercept is intercept made by the line on y-axis. OB is the y-intercept made by the line AB. Equation of a line. Type 1, slope-intercept form. When slope and intercept on y-axis are given, equation of line is y equal to mx plus c, which is the required equation of line, where m equal to slope and c is the y-intercept. Type 2, slope point form. When the slope of the line and a point on it is given, equation of line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, where m is the slope and the line passes through the point x1, y1. Type 3, 2-point form. When the coordinates of 2 points of the line are given, let line AB passes through the point x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then we can find slope of line AB by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to m. Let that be slope. Then equation of the line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Alternative method. If for a line x-intercept is a and y-intercept is b, then its equation is x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Exercise 4C, first sum. If the equation of the line find the equation of the line whose y-intercept is 2 and slope equal to 3. Given y-intercept c equal to 2 and slope m equal to 3. Substituting the values of c and m in the equation y equal to mx plus c, we get y equal to 3x plus 2, which is the required equation. Second, find the equation of the line whose y-intercept equal to minus 1 and inclination 45 degree. Given y-intercept c equal to minus 1 and inclination 45 degree. That therefore slope equal to m tan of 45 degree equal to 1. Substituting the value of c and m in the equation y equal to mx plus c, we get y equal to x minus 1, which is the required equation. Sum number 3. Find the equation of line whose slope is minus 4, 3 and which passes through minus 3, 4. Slope minus 4 upon 3. Equation passes through point minus 3, 4 equal to x1, y1. Substitute the value in equation y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. We get y minus 4 equal to minus 4 upon 3 into x plus 3. 3y minus 12 equal to minus 4x minus 12. 4x plus 3y equal to 0, which is the required equation. Sum number 4. Find the equation of a line which passes through 5, 4 and makes an angle of 60 degree with a positive direction of the x-axis. Slope of line equal to 60 degree, tan 60 equal to root 3. The line passes through the point 5, 4, x1, y1. Substituting the value in y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, we get y minus 4 equal to root 3 into x minus 5. Y minus 4 equal to root 3x minus 5 root 3. Y equal to root 3x plus 4 minus 5 root 3, which is the required equation. Sum number 5. Find the equation of the line passing through first part points 0, 1 and 1, 2. Let 0, 1 be x1, y1 and 1, 2 be x2, y2. Therefore, slope of the line y2, 2 minus y1, 2 minus 1 upon x2 minus x1, 1 minus 0 equal to 1. The required equation of the line is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute the value of m and x1, y1. We get y minus 1 equal to 1 into x minus 0. Y minus 1 equal to x. Y equal to x plus 1. Part 2. Minus 1, minus 4 and 3, 0. Let minus 1 minus 4 equal to x1, y1 and 3, 0 equal to x2, y2. Therefore, slope of the line equal to 4, 0 plus 4 upon 3 plus 1 equal to 4 upon 4 equal to 1. The required equation of the line is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y plus 4 equal to 1 into x plus 1. Y plus 4 equal to x plus 1. Y equal to x minus 3. Sum number 6. The coordinates of 2 points P and Q are 2, 6 and minus 3, 5 respectively. Find first the gradient of PQ. Gradient means slope. Given coordinates of 2 points P and Q are 2, 6 and minus 3, 5 respectively. Gradient of PQ equal to 5 minus 6 upon minus 3 minus 2 equal to minus 1 upon minus 5 equal to 1 upon 5. Second part, the equation of PQ. The equation of line PQ is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 6 equal to 1 upon 5 into x minus 2. 5y minus 30 equal to x minus 2. 5y equal to x plus 28. Third part, the coordinates of points where PQ intersects the x-axis. Let the line PQ intersects the x-axis at point A, x 0. Putting y equal to 0 in the equation of the line PQ, we get 0 equal to x plus 28, x equal to minus 28. Thus, the coordinates of point where PQ intersects the x-axis are A minus 28, 0. Sum number 7. The coordinates of 2 points A and B are minus 3, 4 and 2, minus 1. Find first part the equation of AB. Given the coordinates of 2 points A and B are minus 3, 4 and 2, minus 1. Therefore, slope equal to minus 1 minus 4 upon 2 plus 3 equal to minus 5 upon 5 equal to minus 1. Equation of the line AB is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute the value y plus 1 equal to minus 1 into x minus 2. Y plus 1 equal to minus x plus 2. X plus y equal to 1. Second part, the coordinates of the point where the line AB intersects the y-axis. Let the line AB intersects the y-axis at point 0, y. Putting x equal to 0 in the equation of the line, we get 0 plus y equal to 1, y equal to 1. Thus, the coordinates of the point where the line AB intersects the y-axis are 0, 1. The figure given alongside shows two straight lines AB and CD intersecting at point 3, 4. Find the equation of line AB and CD. Slope of line AB is 45 degree. So tan of 45 equal to 1. Slope equal to 1. The line AB passes through the point P34. So the equation of line AB is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus 4 equal to 1 into x minus 3, y minus 4 equal to x minus 3, y equal to x plus 1. Slope of line CD tan 60 degree, which is equal to root 30. Line CD also passes through the point P34. So the equation of line CD is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus 4 equal to root 3 into x minus 3, y minus 4 equal to root 3x minus 3 root 3, y equal to root 3x plus 4 minus 3 root 3.